All right, Harbor Freight just released some new super coupons that are gonna be good until March 8th. So you do have some time on them. So they're gonna be running through the time that parking lot sale is gonna be taking place coming up here in March. I'm gonna start off with a great coupon that they have. And it's gonna be saving $25 off when you spend $100 on Merlin accessories. So it covers a wide range of Merlin products, anything from compressor hoses to air filters and inflators, even the Merlin compressor oil. So if you spend $100, you could save $25, which would be 25% if you could be right at that $100 mark. So that's a pretty decent coupon right there. If you're in need of any air compressor accessories, and if you're in need of a small portable air compressor, they have this Fortress 2-gallon, 135 psi. It is a oil-free air compressor, ultra quiet series. It is normally priced at $200, and with a coupon, you can save $30 on that, so it's $170. And if you're in need of a larger air compressor, they have this one by McGraw. It's a 29-gallon, 165 psi. It does have one port to it, and it is an oil compressor. This is normally priced at $570. And with the coupon, you can save $70, making it $500. And they have a decent deal on the Icon Master Ball Joint and Universal Joint Press set. It's a 20-piece set total. It does come in a hard plastic case to organize everything in. This is what it looks like with everything in it. This is normally priced at $230, and with the coupon, you can save $40 on that, making it $190. All right, this next one I'm not going to recommend going for, so I just wanted to give you the heads up on it. On the Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands with circular pads on that, because it is normally priced at $80. With the coupon, it's only 12% off, making it $70, so it's $10 off. So you'd be better off waiting for the parking lot sale coming up this next month, because you would be able to save 30% on them. So hold off on these. And they have decent savings on the Hallmaster solid rubber wheel chock. I have these for my cargo trailer, and they are awesome, especially at this price, because they are normally priced at $749. And with the coupon, you can save 33% on that, making it $5, and it is a limit of 4. And they have a pretty good deal on the Hallmaster axle straps. It's 2 inches wide by 20 inches, and it's a 3,333-pound working load. And with a coupon, you can save 40% on that, making it $6. And it is a limit of 4 you can get with this coupon. And they're out of stock on this next item, which is the Hallmaster 1,000-pound capacity 32-foot cable hand winch. So it's going to be similar to something like this, give you a sense of what it looks like. It is normally priced at $30, and with a coupon, you can save 33% on that, making it $20. This is what it looks like here on the coupon, and it is a limit of 3. And they have a decent deal on this Hallmaster trailer coupler pin lock. It's a 5/8 one. It does come with keyed access to it, so you can secure your hitch. That's normally priced at $12. With a coupon, you can save 29% on that, making it $8.49. And they have an awesome coupon on the Pittsburgh 4-piece mini pick and hook set. It does come with a lifetime warranty. They're normally priced at $2. With the super coupon, you can save 50% on them, making it 99¢. And it is a limit of 4 you can get with this. If you're gaining any value from this video, I would appreciate you take the time and give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. If you're on a mobile device, be sure to hype the video, and it does help the channel. And I do appreciate that support. Let's move on to the next deal. And they have a good coupon on the Pittsburgh 1/4-inch drive in SAE and metric of the 10-piece color-coded deep wall socket sets. So in the SAE, it does range from 3/16 up to 9/16, and then the metric is from 5 to 14 millimeter. They're normally priced at $13 each, and with the coupon, you can save 30% off on them, making it $9. And that is a limit of 4. And they have a great deal on the Pittsburgh 1/4-inch drive 10-piece color-coded socket set. So it's the regular sockets instead of the deep wall sockets. So they have in the SAE, it ranges from 3/16 up to 9/16. And then the metric does range from 5 millimeter to 14 millimeter. They are each priced at $10. And with the super coupon, you can save 40% off on them, making it $6, and it's a limit of 4 as well. And they have decent savings on the Predator 6.5 horsepower, 212cc chipper shredder. It has a 3-inch diameter capacity, and the one side chute here for the branches. It has dual action blades and 12-inch pneumatic wheels on that, and has a large side discharge to it. It is normally priced at $600, and with the coupon, you can save $100 on that, making it $500. And they have another decent deal on a Predator power washer, which they don't have on display at this store. It's on the 4400 PSI 4.2 gallon per minute commercial duty power washer, where it's $800. That's saving $100 on that. And it's a pretty capable power washer to do most tasks with it, especially compared to other power washers out there. They're going to be $1,000 or more. So it's a definitely a great deal at $800 for this. And they have good savings on the Storehouse nut and bolt assortment set. It's a 240 piece set in the SAE. These are the different sizes that it comes with between the machine bolts, hex nuts, and split washers. So it's a pretty good assortment. It is normally priced at $8, and with the coupon you can save 33% on that, making it $5.29, and it's a limit of 4. And here's another good coupon if you're looking for the towable backhoe. It's an 8 horsepower one by Central Machinery, where you can save $600 on that. So it's only $2,400. And they have a decent deal on the Bauer 15-piece carbide router bit set with a 1/4-inch shank. So you should be able to outfit most of the different trim routers out there. It has a pretty good assortment of different bits where you can do straight cuts, roundovers, rabbiting, even a laminate trim bit, chamfer, so many different options, even a hinge bit as well, and dovetail. So they have that normally priced at $38. And with a coupon, you can save 21% on that, making it $30, and it's a limit of 2. And they have good savings on this Hercules number 3. It's a 9-hole step drill bit with a 1/4-inch shank to it. So you can use an impact driver or drill. And it's good for cutting into angle iron, stainless steel, plastic, and wood. And it ranges from sizes 1/4-inch to 3/4-inch holes. It is normally priced at $30. And with the coupon, you can save 33% on that, making it $20, and it's a limit of 3. And the next deal's on the Bauer 14-piece titanium drill bit set. It does come in a hard plastic case with a see-through lid, and it has a 3 flat shank heads to them, so it's not the 1/4-inch shank ones. And it's ideal for cutting into wood, steel, aluminum, brass, and plastic. It is normally priced at $15. And with the coupon, you can save 33% on that, making it $10, and it's a limit of 4. And they have a decent deal on this Hercules 36-piece T-shank jigsaw blade set. So it comes with a wide variety of different blades to it for fast wood cutting, general purpose, as well as metal too. So you can cut into all these different materials with it. And it's a pretty good all-around kit. It even includes a hard plastic case to store them all in, which are behind these blades right here. They even have a couple blades for ceramic tile and hard tile as well. It is normally priced at $22. With the coupon, you can save 18% on that, making it $18. So obviously something like this for the 30% off deal wouldn't work because it is priced at $22 normally. So definitely a good time to save 18% on it. They have a decent deal on the Pittsburgh 6-inch jab saw for drywall. It even has a lifetime warranty on this, and it is double-edged, so you can cut in both directions with that. It is normally priced at $6, and with the coupon you can save 33% on that, making it $3.99. And it's a limit of 4. I know some of you have been waiting for deals on top boxes of different sizes. Well, they do have a super coupon on the 27-inch one, the top box, which is a 7-drawer one, and it comes with 9 different colors as options, and then they also have the drawer liners. This is normally priced at $250 for this. With a coupon, it is saving $30 on that, making it $220. And it's a limit of 1. It's not the greatest savings, but it's better to save $30 than nothing at all. They do have a coupon for the folding side tray. That's for the 4-drawer tech cart. It does come available in the different colors. Looks like it does even include the purple one that they have here as well. So the different colors, and it's normally priced at $20. And with the coupon, you can save 15% on that, making it $17. It's not the greatest deal, so I would maybe wait for another 30% off deal. Might do in the future. That way you can get it for $14. And they do have a deal on the 2-shelf US General cart. This is normally priced at $80, and it does have a 450-pound weight capacity to it. It does have a side handle to that as well. I actually did not put this card in my last video of the US General carts, and this coupon's not going to be the best one, so it'd be definitely better time to wait for the parking lot sale coming up in March. Because with the coupon, it's going to be $70, which is saving only 12%. So definitely wait for the parking lot sale where you can save 25% on that. They do have a coupon on the Bauer 8-inch bench grinder with a 4.8 amp motor. It's rated at 3,600 RPM. It has dual spark shields. and it even includes a LED flex light to that. This grinder is normally priced at 90 bucks, so you can save $10 on that, which is 11% off, making it $80. If you're looking for an upgraded option from this one, they do have another option available in the super coupons, and that's the Bauer 8-inch variable speed bench grinder with a 5-amp motor, and the speed does range from 2,000 to 3,400 RPM. It also includes a flexible LED light as well. It's normally priced at 130 bucks, and with this super coupon, you can save $10 on that, making it 120. And they do have a coupon on the Vulcan Omni Pro 220 multi-process welder. It has dual voltage of 120 or 240 input. The normal price is 1,100 bucks on this, and with a coupon you can save $100 on that, making it $1,000. Of course, there was a better deal on it last month during last month's parking lot sale where you could have saved 30% on it, so it would have been $330 off. And they have pretty good savings on this Pittsburgh 2-inch by 20-foot long, 4,000-pound capacity web lifting sling. This is what it looks like on each end. So it has loops in there. It's double reinforced nylon. It's normally priced at 38 bucks. And with the coupon, you can save 34% on that, making it $25. And it is a limit of 2 you can get with this coupon. And they do have a decent deal on the Daytona 1,300-pound capacity self-loading position wheel dolly. It is sold separately or individually, and they are normally priced at 130 bucks. And with the coupon, you can save $30 off on that, making it $100. And it is a limit of 4, which you would need to do a car with. So again, it's 1,300 pounds per wheel dolly. This is what the box looks like. And then don't forget, they also offer the wheel dolly storage rack. So you could put all 4 of them on the rack. And that's normally priced at 60 bucks. And they do have a coupon on the Central Machinery 6-inch cross slide vise with a 6-inch jaw opening. It does weigh 35 and 1/8 pounds. It's made of rugged cast iron. It's normally priced at 90 bucks, and you can save 11% on that, making it 80. So it's obviously not the best savings, because especially this past weekend, you could have saved 15% on one item throughout the whole weekend. And they also have a coupon on the Doyle 4-inch low profile drill press vise with a 4-inch opening. It weighs 11.4 pounds, and it has 2,000 pounds of clamping force. It's normally priced at 60 bucks, and you can save 10% on that, making it $54. They do have another vise deal on the Central Machinery 6-inch portable carpenter's vise. It's normally priced at 20. You can save 15% on that, making it $17. So again, with this one being right under the $20 mark, if you're an ITC member, then wait for a 30% off deal that they do maybe in the future, where you can pick it up for $14. All right, this is going to be the super coupons I'm going to cover in this video. There's certainly more to choose from, and I'll be sure to put a link in the description below to the super coupons on their website, and you can check them all out and see what else is available. And if you gained any value from this video, I would appreciate you take the time to give it a thumbs up, as well as consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. And don't forget to subscribe to more deal videos like this I do in the future. And I appreciate that support. I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.